Hi everyone, it's Carmen Westermeyer here. I'm here to talk to you about our monthly TaxCafe. Now, I wish I could tell you what I'm going to be talking about in this session, but I can't because it's guided on your questions. The whole point of this TaxCafe series is not that it's about us as the professionals telling you what we think you need to hear, but rather about us listening to what you're asking. So these tax cafes are based around your questions. Check out for the keep an eye out for the emails. Keep checking out for the emails, where we ask you to send us your questions. And the whole point of these sessions as well is that it's not just a pre-recorded, I go and talk at you for X number of minutes. It's meant to be interactive. It's about me taking your questions. It's about me taking your comments. There'll be certain questions I may not have an answer to, but someone in the audience will. So TaxCafe is all about what is real, what is real time, what is practical, and what is legal. So these sessions are there for you if you're working out in tax practice. You're feeling that you may not know the answer to your question, send them to me. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. If not, we'll crowdsource an answer, and I'm quite sure we'll have fantastic response. We've had it for the almost 2 years now that we've had tax cafes. It's a brilliant initiative from my point of view. I hope you feel the same way, and I look forward to seeing you at the next session.